the YouTube video is showing. Now if I click on the video, you will see that video is playing automatically here. Now if any viewers come, they will be able to visit and watch your video here. So you want to edit or embed YouTube videos on your website or blog site, then the video is basically for you. You should watch the entire video carefully without skipping. But first let me show you one that if you add a YouTube videos on your website or blog site, it will look like this. And whenever someone scrolls the side of yours and clicks on the video, this video will play on your website. It looks very beautiful and attractive. So here you can see that this is my blog site. Here I have attached my YouTube video. So now I am trying and showing you that it looks very beautiful, and when you click on the video, this video will play in the blog page. So for this you have to the option your blog site first. You can see here, but I have customized it in first post. And here some posts are not yet customizable. So suppose I will now add my YouTube video to the post. For this you have to click on the post. After that you will see all the HTML file of this post here. Is this what you need to compose now? To compose, click on the option you see on the left. Then you will get the option called compose. Click here. Then your site will be composed from HTML. So now you will determine the place on the site where you will add the video and make some space here. When you will click on the icon like the video that you see at the top to upload the video, then you will get the option to upload your videos. Click there. After clicking, you can see that the video of the YouTube channel that you are logged into your device will show here. So you will select the video that you need for your blog post or website. After that, you clicking on insert from here. So now you can see that your YouTube video is attached here. Now I will upload it from here, and when it is saved, I will back it up. After backing off, you can see that the post that I edited so far has been uploaded to YouTube. It seems like someone like this, so I will now view it. So after viewing, you can see that on the page where I uploaded the video, the YouTube video is showing. Now if I click on the video, you will see that video is playing automatically here. Now if any viewers come, they will be able to visit and watch your video here. So how did you like the video? Everyone please like and comment. If you like the video, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Everyone stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you very much to everyone.